So we're leaving this project, going to another. The guys are doing a fantastic job. They're putting the finishing touches on the trim now. We'll have the material all cleaned up out of there the next couple hours. It is 1:41 p.m. now, and we're headed to another project that we should be done with here in about an hour or so. So we'll update you. So life of roofing entrepreneurship. So here we go. See you at the next one. Just showed up to a project we're doing here in Hazlet, Texas, right around the corner from our office. So they see our office all the time. They're ready to get their roof done. They got impacted by this very large windstorm. Got a little hail to accompany the wind. So they had their insurance company come out, said they needed full roof replacement. They said they drive by our office every day going to work. So here we are getting them knocked out. It's shortly after lunch. We'll be wrapped up here in about an hour or so. We have some comments, put it out on social media. Our guys up here working hard, and they're like, man, you know, you guys, y'all don't pay these guys nothing to come out here and bust their hump. Look at the truck that he drives. $125,000 Ford pickup. So it's a beautiful thing. A lot of people say, hey man, you know, you're taking advantage of these guys out here busting their ass and working hard in the sun every day. Look, they're willing to do something that most people aren't either. And by doing that, look at what it affords them. Over $100,000 truck to be able to drive. So we take care of our people. If you have a good crew and you know what you're doing out there and you want to go to work for a fantastic organization, reach out to us here at SWAT. How are you? Good to see you. Good to see you. A new ride there. Where'd you get that thing?
Which one?
The Barbie thing.
Yeah, I don't know where that.
I figured that was yours pulling the trailer. I'm like, man, he stepped his game up.
Hey, we're moving on up.
Yeah, I'm like, you went from a $125,000 dually to a $300,000 princess carriage.
G-Wagon, man.
I like it, man. I like it.
CPA said we need to spend more money, so.
There you are. Hey, everything good?
Everything good. I'm just gonna do a walk around. Since I haven't been here today, I just want to kind of talk to them, see what's going on. And
yeah.
If we need anything.
Watch that wind for me, because the wind's blowing a little bit. I noticed a little debris trying to get down the road, so just double check on that for me if you will. Yeah. So we're gonna get out of here. I got to go to the office. My office is 5 minutes away.
Okay.
So I got to get to the office if we need something. Holler.
Good seeing you.
Good to see you. Appreciate you. Gotcha. Okay.
I had no idea his name. It was funny.
How goes it?
Good.
The goat's back out in the neighborhood, wandering around.
I came by to pick up a check because he said he was leaving, and I said, oh, okay, I'll come by and pick it up before I do, and I said, please forgive me.
So when you're a great client for SWAT, we'd love to be able to send you one of those. That's going to one of our clients' house. So they're a little bit healthy. They said we like fruit. So not only are we giving them fruit, we're giving them some chocolate-covered fruit too. So that way they make a healthier choice of chocolate at least. Knock them dead. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Bye, Michelle.
You know, that's what it's all about, team working together. We got somebody taking our clients' fruit. We got another guy delivering money here, like Santa Claus. Gotta love that, right?
Oh, we do.
So delivering money and making another client happy. These folks are absolutely ecstatic because so many clients out here are getting denied just because they're following the wrong kind of claims with wind only, and they're getting these little minor repairs and stuff done, and they've been through that 4 or 5 times on this particular process. And then our team member James was able to get out here and get this taken care of from the last claim and provide the information that the insurance company was looking for, and they agreed that this thing needed to be done. So finally, after doing this process 4 or 5 times, we got it completed for them, and now, heaven forbid, some kind of major catastrophe, we never have to mess with this roof again. They're one and done. And obviously we knocked it out of the park with this. I mean, it's just after lunchtime when we're done. Yeah. And material got here late.
Late, yeah, no, 11 o'clock.
Yeah. Wait,
already almost done.
Yeah, way later than we want material to get here.
Oh,
but
I know, and the guys they were complaining a little bit, and I was like, it's okay, man, it's coming.
Yeah.
And literally, as I said that, they were pulling around the corner.
And our days are longer, so it makes it easier.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Good. So
I'm gonna go ahead and get back at it. I'm gonna hit the rest of this road, so.
Go knock them dead.
Hopefully before my phone dies.
Yeah, go educate some more people, brother.
Will do.
Appreciate you. Have a good one. Great job.
Thank you.
you know, that's a prime example of somebody who's winning. So he come here, you know, wasn't having a whole lot of success in the things that he was doing before, living paycheck to paycheck. He come, joined the SWAT team. Took him a little bit to ramp up, kind of get going and fall into the systematic approach that we take, but he fell into it. Now he loves life, being able to buy new vehicles. Great things are happening in his life, and you know, his kids tell him every day how proud of him that they are, and he shares that with us. So we've truly have seen a transformation with James in where he started and where he is now, and it's getting better and better every day. So we're glad to have him as part of the team. You know, when you become a team member here at SWAT, you become like family to us, and we're able to share these awesome stories, not only inside of our organization, but with you guys as well. So that's a perfect example of somebody who's winning every single day. But you know what? It's mid-afternoon, it's nice and warm, it's a little over 80 degrees today. The team's up here working hard, he's out working hard, creating more revenue, and this is how it works. He goes out and he does his part, working hard, doing what most people don't want to do every day, going out here and educating folks on what we do, why we do it, and how good we are at it. And then what does that do? That turns around and provides all these guys up here on the roof with a way to provide for their family. So this is, you know, we all kind of scratch each other's back. One guy helps another guy, helps another guy. So as a team, we all work together, and we all have our lanes that we're staying in, and everybody here is winning. It's a ticket to success, man. So I tell everybody, if you want to join a winning team and change your life, there's no better place to be than right here at SWAT. Can't wait to hear from you.